Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Gemini. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. Today we'll be picking one card from the Moonology deck, guys, for your moon energy. So we will see what is the card as we proceed, Gemini. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. If you want more clarity, guys, I have the pick a card reading right after this general energy. So you can watch that reading, guys, that will follow this general energy. So for your general energies, we have Six of Moons, Ace of Suns in reverse, and Ace of Stars. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are, what to say, in a difference, maybe Gemini, you are trying to find the truth about something, and maybe today you will know the truth or you will know the reason for the way things are going. So in your circumstances, the reason for some confusion or some obstacles or whatever that went wrong, maybe. So some kind of delays in your work or something that did not go well, that did not go as expected. So the reason for all those difficulties you are seeing in your circumstances and the truth behind the reason, you will see it with clarity. And maybe for some of you, if you are looking to make some new choose some new path for yourself, maybe in your work you have some opportunities or offers and you are looking forward to venture to that. Maybe, guys, you must have second thoughts about it because it may not work well, guys, and for some of you, you may see the reason why it may not work well for you, guys. So some kind of clarity and understanding you will get. Maybe it is quite a difficult thing you are faced with, a difficult circumstance. Maybe you want to take up that choice or move towards that, but you know the truth that it may not work well for you. So that may be the reason you may feel quite worried or stressed. And even in this relationship, guys, today with this person, you have understood something, you know the truth today, and you or what was the reason for some troubles or misunderstandings you both had. And today, looking back at the way things were between you both, whatever what to say, the shocking things you had between you both, or whatever this person went through or whatever you went through. So the truth behind those shocking or difficult experiences you had in your life, and you are seeing the reality today, guys. So that is going to help you in understanding each other in a better way today, helping you both to what to say, give up that negativity you both have and move on with your present life and think and deal a difficult circumstance more easily today because you know the truth, you have a better understanding today, Gemini. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it is Four of Stars. So maybe in this connection, maybe for some of you, you are thinking and you want to take time, maybe having understood the reason for whatever happened between you both. Maybe some of you are taking a time off from this person, taking a break, or this may be their energy, guys. So you need to prepare yourself, assimilate the experiences you have and get over and move on. That may be the reason you are taking time today in your circumstances, Gemini, in this relationship. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So for your career situation, we have the Empress. So a very positive card here, guys, for you all. It just means that you are going to be really successful. You will see great opportunities coming your way in your work situation, something that will give you success, prosperity and happiness. And that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your moon energy, we have conclusions or within reach. So with this card, guys, Gemini, it just means that maybe if you are in some difficult circumstances today, you are unable to handle it the way you liked. Maybe today the situation is out of your hand. So you must just wait for the way things will go in your circumstances. Just wait for the events to unfold. So if you are at that point of letting go of someone or something, you must know that this may be the right time to forgive them and move on, guys, because that is going to give you that release and relief today. So whatever was, it is not in your hands right now. Situation is out of your hands, Gemini. So you just need to just wait and see where things are going today, guys. That is the energy with this card, and that is the reading for you all today, guys, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this first card, it says Rose Elf Revelations. So when this card comes to you in a reading, guys, it just means that you are having something in your mind, something is something you have not revealed. Maybe all that sadness and grief you have been holding on, that has been burdening you. So this is the time you are going to be free of all those burdens. So some kind of unkindness towards you, bullying maybe, or injustice done to you is coming into light, and people around you may know the truth, the reason for your sadness or the way you were, guys. And you need to trust your instincts today and see for signs. Maybe you may be seeing signs in your circumstances, maybe something happening naturally, the way the birds are singing, or some signs in nature that you see around yourself. You must be aware of that, because that is going to give you or take you towards truth or clarity today. So your instincts are here to help you guys. You need to trust that. And whatever injustice is being done to you is going to come into light. So there is a person who has been treating you in a bad way, and you were suppressing it, but whatever it is, truth comes into light someday, guys. You can never hide the truth, whatever it may be. And maybe you are someone experiencing this injustice, or maybe there is someone in your circumstances who is experiencing this injustice, and you can bring hope to that person who has lost it. You can make them feel peaceful again, help them with your kind words and with your kind heart. And whatever evil has been done to you will be recognized, and that person who has wronged you will be revealed, and justice is coming out. Justice is happening, unfolding in your circumstances. So you can never hide truth for a very long time, guys. So you need to understand that. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So for those who chose this second card, this card, we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, loyal heart. So this card just means that in your relationship today with your person you love, you both are having a beautiful understanding. Mutual love, respect and caring is there. You are devoted to each other and you are loyal to each other, and this may be the time for heartfelt commitments and trust. And you need to understand that having that trust, mutual love and trust for each other, you can see that this relationship is divinely protected and divinely directed. So just like you trust this person, they trust you, and just like this person trusts you, are you loyal to them in return? Are you reciprocating their trust? So you need to question yourself on that, guys, and this is the time for you to be really truthful, honest with what you truly feel, and make this person understand what you truly feel. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So with this card, it just looks like you are in that deep connection with this person, and you both love each other, and you both have a great future together. That is what this card is about. And maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.